Hey there, it's me, Pastel. Thank you for joining me today. This time, I have got this wonderful little seagull we can draw, so let's get started. First, I'll open my sketchbook to a brand new page and choose a crayon. This one today. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is we're going to draw our seagull's back. So right around the middle of our page, I'm going to draw a curved line that comes over and down just a little. Then from the start of that line we just did, I'm going to make a smaller curve up and around and then bring it down and back and up to meet the first line that we made. Okay, now let's give our seagull a wing. So right here where the back of his head meets his back, I'm going to draw a big curved line that goes all the way back. And for his tail, see this point where these two curves meet? Just above that, I'm going to draw a little angled line down. Then it angles back in a little bit and then back to meet his body again. Okay, now let's give our seagull a beak. So right here, this will be the front of his face right here. So from right about here, for his beak, I'm going to do a little curve down, out, and down. And then bring it back in with a straight line. And a little eye so he can see. Little eyebrow. Now let's give him some feet so he can run around the beach. So from right underneath his body, I'm going to do 2 straight lines down. Then for his feet, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 lines out. And then I'll connect each of these with a curved line in between. So from the end of this one, I'm going to do a little curve in and back out to meet this one. And we'll do the same on this foot. There's 1, 2, 3, then curved lines in between. Nice webbing on his feet so he can swim in the water. All right, now let's add a couple of lines to his wings, just a little more detail. And he's all done. There's our seagull. He looks like he's ready to go ask some people for food on the beach. Well, thank you so much for being with me today. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.